Chae Soo-bin is a South Korean actress. She was born on July 10, 1994 in Anyang, South Korea. In 2020, Chae starred in the romance drama A Piece of Your Mind alongside Jung Hae-in. She is set to star alongside Jang Ki-yong in the romantic comedy film Sweet and Sour. In 2018, Chae starred in the airport-themed drama Where Stars Land. Her performance won her the Excellence Award at the SBS Drama Awards. Chae and co-star Lee Je-hoon were also appointed honorary ambassadors of Incheon International Airport. After the expiration of her management contract with Toin Entertainment in December 2018, Chae joined King Kong by Starship in January 2019. In January 2017, she took on her first prime-time leading role in the historical television series The Rebel. The series was a modest success and led to a rise in popularity for Chae. She then starred in KBS2's youth romance drama Strongest Delivery Man and MBC's romantic comedy drama I Am Not a Robot. She is a young actress who is very passionate about acting and wants to become an international star. Chae was spotted by a casting director on the streets, and upon signing a management contract with Toin Entertainment, she proceeded to make her debut in 2014 with the film My Dictator. She wasn't wrong about her decision, as in the next few years she gained enough popularity and recognition that she became a household name in South Korea. In 2016, she starred in Love in the Moonlight. Due to the fact that her birth name is the same as the stage name of the more popular actor Soobin, she was given the stage name Chae Soo-bin. She then featured in weekend drama House of Bluebird and youth series Cheer Up, which won her Best New Actress awards at both 4th APAN Star Awards and 29th KBS Drama Awards. In 2015, she appeared in Sassy Go Go. She's been given the chance to prove herself more than once in several different projects in the last few years, and she has done an amazing job. In 2019, she worked in movie Your Name is Rose. In 2016, she worked in movie Sorry, Voice from the Heart. She has perfect body figure to establish a bright career in South Korea showbiz industry in a very short time. In 2015, she worked in movie Night with a Perfect Stranger.